In today's video, we're going to take a look at the EURUSD. I'll show you exactly how I'm trading this pair this week ahead of FOMC and also a bunch of PMI events out of Europe on Friday. All right, hey everyone, so we're going to take a look at the euro today. I'm also going to show you the latest on the US dollar index. But first, let's take a look here at the daily time frame for the EURUSD. And the first thing you're going to notice here is that the market did break down from this trend line back here. Okay, now it wasn't the strongest trend line, but we do know that the market is trading below this. And we also know that the market is trading within this downtrend. So that's first and foremost, right? The market's making lower highs and lower lows. So that is the first thing to consider here. Now, before we get too deep into the technicals, keep in mind, as I said earlier, we do have FOMC here in the US on Wednesday, and we also have a bunch of PMI events out of Europe on Friday. So those events are going to drastically impact a pair like EURUSD. So keep that in mind if you're trading this market or really any major currency pair, because we are likely to see a lot of volatility here later this week. Now, with that in mind, okay, if we break this down very simply, the euro right now, we can see that last week we got the bounce from down here at 1.063. All right, that was the low from back here in late May. And you can also see that we have this horizontal level off of these closing prices from late May and early June. Now, furthermore, you can see that we got the bounce right here from this level at 1.0687 or so. And the same thing with Friday's high, right off of that level. Now, today you can see where the market is breaking above Friday's high. And if we do get the close back above this level, all right, so this level right through here, if we get a close above this, then that is going to flip back to support. Now, keep in mind, though, that we do have those events coming up this week. So that is going to trigger a lot of volatility here for the euro. But ultimately, a close back above this level right here, okay, is going to flip this back to support. And it's also going to put the euro back within this range. Okay, so yes, the market right now is in a downtrend, but it doesn't mean that we can't get relief rallies from this market. Just look back here at this rally from the low down here all the way up here to the high. That was a very aggressive 3-day rally. Now, I'm not saying we will get the exact same here from the euro up here toward the range highs, but we know that this market can move very quickly in the opposite direction. Okay, so I do like the idea of eventually looking for fresh shorts here. I have been shorting this market, a few times during this downtrend, and I do like the idea of eventually looking for shorts again, but not until we see a relief rally from the euro. I do not want to short a market down here in this area after this kind of move. Okay, I'd rather look for shorts either up here in this area here or even a retest of this trend line. All right, now when we look at the US dollar index, the DXY, and by the way, guys, if you are enjoying this content, be sure to smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon for notifications. And also don't forget to sign up to our free Telegram group. I'll put a link up here in the top of this video and also in the description. So you will get a few more trade ideas in that group. And once you're ready, you can upgrade to the VIP group. Okay, so looking here at the DXY, the US dollar index, we know that the market is moving in an uptrend, okay, higher highs and higher lows, which is obvious because we have the euro doing the opposite, and the two do have an inverse correlation, okay? So we note the DXY also reclaimed this confluence right back here, okay? So through this area, we got the reclaim and the retest right here on these two candles. And I talked about all of this as it was unfolding, guys. I've been talking about this, in fact, all the way since back here, right when it reclaimed 100.8. That was bullish. Same thing right here with the June low. And then same thing here recently with that area right around 103. Okay, so this is not a case where you want to be getting overly bearish on the dollar. However, we could see a pullback here this week. And that's especially true if we take a look here at the highs from last week. Okay, so very much like the EURUSD, if we draw a horizontal level right across these highs and also Friday's low, notice what we have here. Okay, we have a little pivot right through this area. Okay, so we've got the highs from back here. We've got the low from Friday. Okay, so close back below this level. And again, we don't know if this is going to happen yet because there are still several hours left in today's session. But if we do get a close below this, then this level up here becomes resistance, and we could get that move back down here toward these lows and this high, and potentially even a full retrace back here to the 104.30 level. All right, so I'm not ruling that out here from the dollar. It has been an incredible run recently, but as we know, the markets can also flush a lot of traders out of these positions, especially when you get something this aggressive that we've seen since back here in July. Now, alternatively, if today and tomorrow close above this level here, above that Friday low for the DXY, and we see the EURUSD close the day below this level that we just talked about. Okay, so if we see this, instead, the market closes back down here, then this level remains as resistance. So keep in mind that this is going to come down to the daily close, which as of right now, you can see that there are still 3 hours and 42 minutes. Okay, so anything can happen here still. There's still plenty of time for the euro to close back below this level, in which case it remains resistance. But like I said, if we do get the close above here, sustain break above this, all of a sudden we're back here within this range. So don't discount the potential for a move back here toward the range highs up around 1.076. All right, so that's it for today's video. Once again, keep in mind that we do have a lot of volatility coming up this week with FOMC and European PMI numbers coming out on Friday. So a lot of volatility coming up here for the Euro USD. If you like the video, guys, be sure to smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon. And don't forget to sign up to our free Telegram group for more trade ideas. Trade well this week, guys, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.